This week's recipe on a protective diet is Vegged-Up Cornbread Salad. This southern starch-based salad satisfies, making us cheer. Let's enjoy salad month all year. I boosted the flavors and texture in this layered classic with fresh, crunch, and protective veggie balance. We are golden all summer long with cornbread under pressure, keeping southern kitchens cool. If you are from Mississippi, Texas, or New Mexico, you likely experienced the original at a potluck, usually named after the state you are in. On a protective diet, we are in a veggie state of mind. So I had to change Mississippi cornbread salad to vegged-up cornbread salad. Let everyone know in the comments below if this salad was a taste of home to you. Classics like this warm my heart and transport me to a long-tabled potluck in the deep South from the comfort of my very own backyard. Pack this one up for work in a jar or layer it big for your friends and family. Either way, it will make your day a vegged-up success. Make a note on your calendar of achievements and be proud of all you do to make healthy living delicious, sustainable, and fun for everyone you love.